and welcome to Cooking with Sarah. Today I want to share with you how to make mummy jalapeno poppers. We like jalapeno poppers in our household, and these are great for any fall or Halloween party that you might have. This is what you'll need to make your jalapeno poppers. You'll need 10 jalapenos, 2 cooked and finely chopped slices of bacon, a half a cup of cheddar, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, and a half a teaspoon of garlic salt, 1 stick of cream cheese, and some googly eyes or black olives, and a package of crescent rolls. The first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 400 degrees. And while that's heating up, we're going to take our jalapeno peppers. We're going to cut them in half. And we're going to scoop out the seeds out of the inside of the jalapeno pepper. And you're going to do this with all of your jalapenos. Okay, I've got my large cookie sheet, and I'm going to take some Reynolds grill foil and I'm going to put it in the pan so when our jalapenos cook, they won't stick to the pan. This is our favorite type of grill foil. It's hard to get anything to stick to this. It's the best. You're doing a great job taking the seeds out. Okay. I'm gonna just set these in here right now. And we're taking the seeds out, so because that's what makes these jalapeno poppers spicy, is if the seeds are in there. Just make sure you wash your hands once you're done taking out all the seeds. You do not want to touch your face after handling jalapeno seeds. Now we're going to mix our cream cheese mixture. We're going to take our cream cheese, place it in the bowl with our seasonings, mix that well, and then we'll add our bacon and cheese. Okay, now we're going to add in the bacon and the cheese and mix well. Once your mixture is complete, you're going to start stuffing the jalapenos. You want to try? You just have to put just a little bit in there, just enough to fill the cavity of the jalapeno. You sure? Okay. Okay, and then we're going to fill them all up. Next, we're going to take our crescent rolls, and we're going to take the triangles and we're going to push them together to make it one large rectangle. And I'm going to thin it out just a little bit, a little rolling pastry pin. Do you want to help? And then we're going to take our pizza cutter and you're just going to make thin slices. Try to make them straight down and consistent as you can. And it sounds like my 1-year-old wants to come help. Do you want to help? Yeah. Are you ready to eat these jalapeno poppers? You can try it. Might be a little spicy though. We'll have to see. Okay, now that I have my little helper here, we are ready to wrap our cheese-filled jalapenos. We're going to take our pastry and just wrap it around. It'll take about 2 pastry strips to make it look like a wrapped mummy. Okay. And then we're going to bake it in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, before we put these jalapeno poppers, mummies, into the oven, we're going to put an egg wash on them. So I'm going to crack a couple eggs and beat them together, and then use the little brush I have over here, and we're going to brush each one. And this will help the pastry to cook and not get burnt, and give it a golden look. Okay, once this is complete, we're going to put these into the oven at 400 for 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, after 8 minutes, these jalapeno mummy poppers are looking good. I did add some black olives for some eyeballs, but I've also seen some people put some candy eyeballs in here. So they look delicious, and I can't wait to try these. Thank you so much for watching us make these mummy jalapeno poppers. We hope you like them as much as we do. I'm gonna have to try one of these. Please like and subscribe.